Friends, welcome to Biology Beginners. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter Biological Classification. History of Taxonomy. Aristotle is the father of biology and father of zoology. He classified plants on the basis of morphological characters, growth, habitat in three groups: trees, shrubs, and herbs. Theophrastus, he is known as father of ancient plant taxonomy and father of botany. Theophrastus wrote book on plants, Historia Plantarum. He classified plants into four groups on the basis of growth habits: trees, shrubs, undershrubs, and herbs. It is an artificial classification. Carolus Linnaeus, that is from 1707 to 1778, his real name was Carl von Linné. On basis of work in Latin language, he changed his name to Carolus Linnaeus. He was the Swedish scientist. He is known as the father of taxonomy, father of plant taxonomy, and the father of animal taxonomy. Linnaeus gave the two kingdom system classification. He grouped plants and animals into kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia respectively on the basis of cell wall only. Demerits of two kingdom classification: in two kingdom classification, Protista, bacteria, that is bacteria and blue green algae, and eukaryotes like fungi, mosses, bryophytes or bryophytes, ferns or pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms are placed in same kingdom. In two kingdom system, unicellular organisms, that is Chlamydomonas and Chlorella, and multicellular organisms like Spirogyra are placed together under algae in plant kingdom because they have cell wall. This classification did not differentiate between the heterotrophic fungi and the autotrophic green plants. They also show a characteristic difference in their cell wall composition. The fungi has chitin in their walls, while the green plants have a cellulosic cell wall. Position of Euglena is not fixed in this system. The two kingdom system, Paramecium and amoeba, were placed in kingdom Animalia because cell wall is absent in them. Next, George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker. Both Bentham and Hooker were related to Royal Botanical Gardens. Scientists working in botanical gardens are known as curator. They wrote the book Genera Plantarum. In this book, Bentham and Hooker gave the biggest and natural system of Spermatophyta plants with seeds. Division: Spermatophyta has 202 families and 3 classes: Dicotyledonate, Gymnosperma, and Monocotyledonate. Dicotyledon has 165 families, Gymnosperm 3 family, and Monocotyledon 34 families. Merits of Bentham and Hooker classification. The classification of Bentham and Hooker were natural. The classification of Bentham and Hooker were mainly based on the floral characters. These were very appreciable because floral characters are more stable than vegetative, that is root, stem, leaf characters. It is simplest classification, although it is not the best classification, but at the arrangement herbarium sheets in herbarium is based on it because it is the simpler one. The main reason for simplicity is that this classification is based on actual observation. Demerits of Bentham and Hooker. In this classification, the phylogeny of plants is not considered because in it gymnosperms are placed in between dicots and monocots. This sequence of evolution is as follows: phylogeny, gymnosperm, dicots, and monocots. R.H. Whitaker proposed 5 kingdom classification. The kingdom defined by him were named as Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. The main criteria used by him for making classification are cell structure, that is complexity of cell, thallus organization, complexity of organism or body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction or lifestyle, phylogeny, relationship. Next, kingdom Monera, and next, complexity of cell. Directions of evolution. 5 kingdoms showing increasing complexity during evolution. Kingdom Monera is prokaryotic and complexity of cell. Kingdom Protista is eukaryotic, complexity of cell. And kingdom Plantae, fungi, and Animalia or complexity of organism, that is a multicellular. Okay. And next, Protista is a eukaryote and also it is a unicellular. Next, Kingdom Plantae is a autotroph photosynthesis and it is a holophytic. It is a producer. Fungi is a heterotrophic absorption osmotropy decomposer. Kingdom Animalia is a heterotropy ingestion holozoic and a consumer. Major evolutionary rule and mode of nutrition. Okay. Five kingdoms are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Monera, all the prokaryotes, that is eubacteria, Rickettsia and Chlamydia, Actinomycetes, blue-green algae, Archaebacteria, Mycoplasma. Protista, all the unicellular eukaryotes, dinoflagellates, fire algae, that is fire algae, and diatoms or desmites, golden algae, euglenoids, slime molds, that is false algae, fungi, and protozoans. Fungi, all the true fungi, that is Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Deuteromycetes. Plantae, all the multicellular eukaryotic plants, algae, green plants, that is Spirogyra, brown algae, red algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Animalia, all the multicellular eukaryotic animal. In five kingdom classification, virus, viroids, prions and lichens are not mentioned. According to five kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella are placed in kingdom Protista. Next, classification of five kingdoms. Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Cell type, prokaryote, eukaryote. Cell wall, non-cellulosic, that is polysaccharide plus amino acid present in some. And next, present without cellulose with chitin, cellulose present and it is absent. Nuclear membrane is absent, present. Body organization is cellular, multicellular or loose type, tissue or organ type or organ system type. Mode of nutrition is autotrophic, chemosynthesis and photosynthesis, and heterotrophic is saprophytic and parasitic. Autotrophs, photosynthesis and heterotrophic. Heterotrophic, saprophytic and parasitic. Autotrophic, photosynthetic and heterotrophic, holozoic and saprophytic, etc. Mode of nutrition is conjugation, sort of sexual reproduction, syngamy and conjugation, fertilization. Carl Woolf, he gave three domain theory. In this three domain, six kingdoms are included. He suggested separate kingdom of Archaebacteria. Note, three domain system has also been proposed that divides the kingdom Monera into two domains and remaining Eukarya kingdom in the three domains, and thereby a six kingdom classification. Organism through three domains on the basis of rRNA. Archaea, bacteria, eukarya. Archaea kingdom has Archaebacterium, bacteria kingdom has Eukarya, and Eukarya kingdom has Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Domain is the super kingdom category and extra taxonomic category. Golden key points. Theophrastus classified plant kingdom into four groups on the basis of the growth habits. Theophrastus proposed the term annual, biennial and perennial. Linnaeus proposed two kingdom classification. Classification given by Linnaeus is artificial. Classification proposed by Bentham and Hooker is natural. Whittaker gave the five kingdoms, that is Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia classification. Now we will go to the kingdoms. Kingdom Monera, it is a prokaryote bacteria or the sole members of the Monera kingdom. Main characters of a prokaryote. Cell wall. Cell wall of a prokaryotes is made up of peptidoglycan or murin, which is a type of mucopeptide. Peptidoglycan is made up of polysaccharides and amino acids. Cell wall. Like eukaryotes, the cell wall of prokaryotes is made up of lipoprotein, that is lipids plus proteins. The space between cell wall and cell membrane is known as periplastic space. The space is analogous to lysosome because in this space the digestion of complex substances is done. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm of prokaryotic lack membrane bond organelles. In prokaryotic cell, the nucleus is indistinct. The nucleus of prokaryotes is also known as incipient nucleus, genopore, nucleoid or fibrillar nucleus. Nuclear membrane is absent around nucleus. It also lacks nucleolus. Prokaryotes also lack the true chromoplast. Instead of it, a false chromoplast is present. Chromosomes is present, which is made up of double-stranded circular naked DNA plus non-histone protein-like polyamines. These false chromosomes coils and forms the chromosomal region, which is known as nucleoid. In prokaryotes, ribosomes are of 70s type. Ribosomes are the site for protein synthesis. Examples of prokaryotes are Archaebacteria, true bacteria, Actinomycetes, blue-green algae, Mycoplasma, Archaebacteria, Riccia and Chlamydia. Eubacteria history. They were first observed in rainy seasons and later in teeth scum by Leeuwenhoek and named them as animalcule. F.J. Cole and Ehrenberg first of all coined the name bacteria. Berger placed bacteria in Prosophyta group and wrote a book, Manual of Determinative Bacteriology. This book is known as Bible of Bacteria Classification. Next, shape. Bacteria has various variations in their shape. On the basis of their shape, bacteria are of different types. Cocci, that these bacteria are spherical. These are smallest bacteria. Maximum resist bacteria. Diplococcus pneumonia. Bacillus or bacilli. This group includes most of the bacteria. They are rod shaped. E. coli, Bacillus anthracis. Spirulum or spirilla. These are spiral shaped bacteria. Spirulum volutans or treponema. Vibrium or Vibrio, they are common shaped bacteria. Vibrio cholera. Cocci, bacilli and spirula and vibrio. Motility in bacteria. Bacteria are motile as well as non-motile. Movement in bacteria takes place by means of flagella. Number and arrangement of flagella is called flagellation. Peritrichus, when flagella are found on the whole body of bacterium. E. coli and Salmonella typhi. Structure of flagella. The flagellum of bacteria is made up of three parts: basal body, hook and filament. Basal body, it is the basal part of the flagella and a rod shaped in structure. It lies within the cell wall and cell membrane. Within the cell wall and cell membrane. These proteinaceous rod-shaped structures is surrounded by two pairs of rings, outer pair and inner pair. Outer pair of a ring lies within the cell wall. One ring of these pair is called L and the other pair is called as P. Inner ring of inner pair lies within the cell wall. One ring of this pair is called S and the another is M. In gram-positive bacteria, only one pair of rings is present. Hook. It connects the basal body to filament. It is the middle part of the flagellum. Its some part lies within the cell wall. Flagellum, it is the cylindrical hollow structure made up of proteins monomer. Each monomer is made up of flagellin protein. Flagellin is a contractile protein. These monomers are arranged spirally. Bacterium flagella this is the filament, hook and the cell wall, basal body and the cell membrane. Filament, hook, L ring and next cell wall, P ring, S ring, basal body, M ring and the cell membrane. Pili. Bacterial cell wall is covered by numerous hair-like structure called pili. Pili are the smaller than the flagella and they are of two types, that is longer pili and shorter pili. Longer pili is also known as F pili or sex pili. Longer pili occurs in only donor bacteria and helps in conjugation. These are absent in recipient bacteria or female. The shorter pili is take part in attachment to rocks in streams and to the host tissues. These are also known as infective pills or fimbrious structures. Every pilus is a cylindrical hollow structures and composed of protein monomers. Each monomer is made up of pillin protein. Pillin is a non-contractile protein. Pili do not play a role in motility. Structure of eubacteria. Though the bacterial structure is very simple, these are very complex in behavior. Bacterial cell wall has a chemical complex cell envelope. The cell envelope consists of tightly bonded to layered structures. Outermost glycocalyx may be capsule or slime mold, cell wall, cell membrane. Although each layer of the envelope perform distinct functions, they act as a single protection. Capsule, cell wall, incipient nucleus, cytoplasmic membrane, mesosome, cytoplasm, pili, flagellum. Structure of a eubacterial cell. Glycocalyx or capsule or slime layer. Loose and thin layer is called a slime layer and the thick contough layer is called a capsule. Formation glycocalyx is done by cell membrane. Capsule is made up of polysaccharides and polypeptides while slime mold is made up of polysaccharides. Glycocalyx protects the bacterium from WBC and also helps in colony formation. Cell wall. Bacterial cell wall is rigid and made up of mainly peptidoglycan. In gram-positive bacteria, cell wall is single-layered and thick. It is made up of peptidoglycan. Lipids are also present, but in less quantity. Next. While in gram-negative bacteria, cell wall is double-layered. Inner laying is thin and is composed of peptidoglycan, and outer layer is thick, made up of lipopolysaccharide. L form bacterial cell wall can be dissolved by lysozyme enzyme, while when a bacterial cell wall is removed artificially by lysozyme, then bacteria are called L form or Lister form. Cell membrane bacterial cell membrane is made up of lipoproteins like the eukaryotic membrane. Cytoplasm. In bacterial cytoplasm, membrane bound organelles, that is mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, Golgi bodies, microbodies are absent. Bacterial cytoplasm shows no streaming or cyclosis. Cytoplasmic organelles, mesosomes, the cell membrane of the bacteria invaginates into cytoplasm at different places and form mesosomes or conchoroids. These extensions are in the form of vesicles, tubules and lamella. Functions of mesosome: cellular respiration, increase the surface area of the plasma membrane and enzymatic content, cell wall secretion or formation, helps in DNA replication, cell division, distribution to daughter cells. Mesosomes are functionally mitochondria-like structures because respiratory oxidating enzymes are found in mesosomes. Storage granules or inclusion bodies. These are materials in prokaryotic cells are stored in the cytoplasm in the form of inclusion bodies. These are not bonded by any membrane systems and lies free in the cytoplasm. Glycogen granules, they store carbohydrate. Volatile granules, they are also known as a metachromic granules. The volatile granules are phosphate polymers and function as storage reservoir for phosphate. Chromatin material, that is nucleoid. Nucleus of a bacterial cell is called nucleoid or genopore or incipient nucleus or fibrillar nucleus. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus are absent and DNA is double-stranded naked DNA. Beside the main DNA, another small and double-stranded circular DNA is also present in bacterial cell, which is called a plasmid. It is also known as an extra chromosomal or extranuclear genetic material. The term plasmid was given by Ledenberg. Plasmids have the ability to replicate independently. Plasmids are of many types on the basis of their function and phenotypic characters. F or fertility factor, F placid on the basis of presence or absence of F factor. There are two types, mating type of bacteria, F positive and F negative. F positive cells carrying F factors as a donor and are called F positive or male. F negative cells lacking F factors act as a recipient and are called F negative or female. When F plasmid is attached with the main DNA, it is distinguished as episome, and this type of cell is known as FHF or high frequency recombinant cell or factor resistance to antibiotics. Next, staining of bacteria. Gram staining technique. First of all, HC Gram differentiated bacteria on the basis of staining. In this first step of this method, bacteria are stained with crystal violet or gentian violet and then F1 solution. After staining, bacteria are washed with acetone or acetyl alcohol. After washing, some bacteria retaining and stain and some bacteria are decolorized. Bacteria which retain stain violet or purple are called gram positive, and the bacteria which decolorizes are called gram negative. Gram negative bacteria are counter stained by safranin. Difference between gram positive and gram negative. Gram positive, the bacteria remain purple colored with gram staining even after washing with alcohol. The bacteria do not remain the stain when washed with alcohol. Cell wall is single layer, cell wall is bilayer. Cell wall of peptidoglycan is 20 to 80 nanometers thick. Cell wall of peptidoglycan is 8 to 12 nanometer thick. Murine or peptidoglycan content is 7 to 80%. Murine or peptidoglycan content is 10 to 20%. The wall is smooth. The wall is wavy and comes in contact with the cell membrane only at a few loci. Basal body of a flagella consists 2 rings. Basal body of the flagella has 4 rings, that is LP, SM, that is SM. Mesosomes are quite prominent. Mesosomes are less prominent, and these are less prominent. A few pathogenic bacteria belong to gram positive group. Most of the pathogenic groups belongs to gram negative group. Tectoic acid present in cell wall, tectoic acid absent. Nutrition in bacteria. Compared to many other organisms, bacteria as a group shows the most extensive metabolic diversity. Most of the bacteria are heterotrophic, but some are autotrophic. On the basis of nutrition, bacteria classified into following three groups: autotrophic, autotrophs, that is photosynthetic autotrophs, and chemosynthetic autotrophs. Heterotrophs or saprophytic bacteria and parasitic bacteria. Symbiotic bacteria are aerobic and anaerobic. Okay. These bacteria use light or chemical energy for their own food synthesis. On the basis of source of energy, autotrophs are of following two types: photosynthetic autotrophs. These bacteria use light energy for food synthesis. Photosynthesis pigments are present in cytoplasm for photosynthesis. In these bacteria, protoplasm is non-oxygenic. Some photosynthetic bacteria are purple sulfur bacteria or chromatium, green sulfur bacteria or chlorobium and thiotrax, and purple non-sulfur bacteria, example rhodospirine and pseudomonas. Chemosynthetic autotrophs, they use chemical energy instead of light energy for food synthesis. Chemical energy is obtained by oxidation of chemical compounds, inorganic or organic. Nitrifying bacteria, example nitrifying bacteria, they oxidize nitrogen compounds and obtain energy. NH3, that is nitrosomonas or nitrococcus to NO2 and nitrobacter to NO3. Chemosynthetic bacteria plays a great role in recycling nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron and sulfur. Heterotrophs, most of the bacteria are heterotrophs, that is they cannot manufacture their own food. The majority of the heterotrophic bacteria are important decomposers. They are useful in making curd from milk, production of antibiotics, fixing nitrogen in legumes. Some are pathogens to human beings, animals and plants. They receive their own food from dead organic matter or living organism. They are of following types: saprophytic and parasitic. These bacteria obtain food from dead and decaying organic matter. Example: Bacillus vulgaris, Clostridium botulinum, and Pseudomonas and Staphylococcus. Parasitic bacteria, they obtain their food from living organism: Mycobacterium leprae and Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Symbiotic bacteria, these bacteria converts atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia and then into nitrogenous compounds like ammonia acid, NO3 or salts of ammonia. Example: Rhizobium. Respiration, on the basis of respiration, bacteria are of two types: aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. They use oxygen in respiration. Example: Azotobacter aceti, it causes soaring of wine, and Clostridium tetani. They do not use oxygen in respiration: Clostridium botulism, fermentation bacteria, that is Lactobacillus, except Acetobacter aceti, Lactobacillus causes soaring of milk. Reproduction. Bacteria reproduce by two methods: asexual reproduction, genetic recombination. Asexual reproduction by binary fission and by endospores. This is the most common method of bacterial reproduction under favorable conditions. First of all DNA replication takes place in bacterial cell, then by endospores. Endospore formation occurs under unfavorable condition. It is highly resistant structure. It is resistant to temperature, radiation, antibiotics and chemicals. Endospores is highly resistant due to presence of calcium dipicolinate in its thick wall. Endosperm formation is seen in mostly bacillus type bacteria. Genetic recombination. Genetic recombination include three methods: transformation, transduction and conjugation. Conjugation between F positive and F negative sought for sexual reproduction. Conjugation was first discovered in 1946 by Lederberg and Tatum in E. coli. First of all, donor cell, that is F positive, is attached to the recipient cell with the help of a sex pili function conjugation tube. The F factor plasmid now replicates and then replica moves to the F negative through conjugation tube. Both the cells are then separated due to the transfer of F and F positive factor. F factor, that is F negative bacteria, now become F positive. F factor male and the F negative bacterial chromosome, and next replication of F factor, and next conjugation tube, genetic recombination through conjugation. F negative and next conjugation tube and the transfer of F positive and that obtain copy. This is the diagram. And next, economical importance of bacteria, harmful activities, diseases in human beings, TB, tuberculosis by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, leprosy is Mycobacterium leprosy, tetanus is Clostridium tetani, typhoid is Salmonella typhi, chlorella is Vibrio chlorella. Diseases in animal, anthrax, Bacillus anthracis, blackleg is Clostridium clavoic, and diseases in plants is citrus canker, Xanthomonas citric, Cron gall in many plants is Agrobacterium tumefaciens, blackleg, and soft rot of potato is Erwinia ceratovora atroseptica. Bacterial leaf blend of rice is Xanthomonas oryza. Black rot of cruciferous is Xanthomonas campestris. Plant pathogenic bacteria are mostly gram-positive and non-spore forming bacteria. Denitrifying bacteria. Some bacteria convert soil nitrates into nitrates into nitrites and then to nitrogen. These bacteria reduce the fertility of the soil. Example, Thiobacillus denitrificans and Pseudomonas denitrificans. Food poisoning, botulism, Clostridium botulism, it is most lethal type of food poisoning. These bacteria survive in absence of oxygen. These bacteria multiple in canned food. Their toxins damage the parasympathetic nervous system. It leads to the paralysis of both smooth and striped muscles, resulting in immediate death. Water pollution. Several bacteria forms causes water pollution. The bacteria spoil the water. Vibrio cholera and Salmonella typhi. Biological weapons. Some bacteria are used as bioweapons as anthrax causing botulism and chlorella causing bacterium. And next, useful activities. Ammonifying bacteria. Some bacteria convert proteins present in the decaying plants or animals into ammonia, that is Bacillus vulgaris. Nitrifying bacteria, nitrification. These bacteria convert ammonia into nitrate and later into nitrate. NH3 nitrosomonas to NO2, that is nitrite to nitrobacter, NO3 nitrate. Nitrogen fixing and nitrogen fixing bacteria. These bacteria convert the atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia and then to nitrogenous compounds, ammono acid nitrates or ammonium salts. Nitrogen fixing is done by two methods symbiotically. Some bacteria live symbiotically and exhibit nitrogen fixation. Rhizobium found in the roots legume of nodules of legume. Next, azorhizobium found in the stem nodules of Sesbania plant. Azospirillum found in a root surface of cereals, wheat, rice and maize. Superficial symbiosis. Next, Frankia is a filamentous bacteria or actinomycetes is found in a root nodules of non-leguminous plants, that is Cassarina and Alnus plants. Asymbiotically, some bacteria are found freely in soil and perform nitrogen fixing. Clostridium, Chromatium, Azotobacter, Azospirillum and Bizarnicia, Rhodomicrobium, Rhodospirillum, Rhodopseudomonas. Note, Azotobacter and Bizarnia are aerobic Rhodospirillum. Azotobacter and Bizarnia are aerobic Rhizosporium Azotobacter and Bizarnia are aerobic. Rhodospirillum is anaerobic bacteria, and both Rhizobium and Frankia are free living in soil but our symbiosis can fix atmospheric nitrogen. Dairy products. Dairy products are formed with the help of bacterial fermentation. Milk by Streptococcus lactis or Lactobacillus into curd. Note, Lactobacillus lactis or lactic acid bacteria increases vitamin B12 in curd. Lab also helps in checking disease causing microbes in stomach. Antibiotics. For example, streptomycin is obtained from Streptomyces grisis. It is an actinomycetes. Term antibiotics was given by S.A. Waxman. First discovered antibiotics from bacteria was streptomycin. Many antibiotic medicines are obtained from the bacteria. Some substances produced by microorganisms which inhibit the growth of other microorganisms are called antibiotic substances. Industries. Many bacteria are used in industries. Vinegar formation, that is acetic acid, ethanol to lactobacillus acetate to acetic acid. Retting of fibers, separation of plant fibers by the help of bacteria, Clostridium butyric acidic bacteria. Flavoring and curdling of tea leaves and processing of tobacco leaves, Bacillus megatherium and Micrococcus condenses. Production of vitamins, Clostridium botulism produces riboflavin, vitamin B2 and butyric acid. Propionibacteria and Bacillus megatherium produces vitamin B12. E. coli coliform bacteria produces vitamin E and vitamin K. E. coli bacteria found in alimentary canal of human being. Purifying of Ganga water in Gangetic water, a bacterium Dwello vibrio bacteriovirus is found. They kill the other water polluting bacteria. Pollution indicating bacteria. Water in which E. coli bacteria are present known as polluted water. Quality of water depends on number of E. coli. If E. coli are very much in number, the water will be highly polluted. So the E. coli is known as the pollution indicating bacteria. Bacteria for genetic engineering. E. coli and Agrobacterium, these are gram-negative bacteria. Next, blue-green algae. According to two kingdom system, blue-green algae was included in class Cyanophyceae or Myxophyceae of algae. But now these are included into kingdom Monera, because these are prokaryotic in nature. Blue-green algae also known as cyanobacteria. Blue-green algae is found in freshwater, marine water and terrestrial habitats. Cyanobacteria are photosynthetic oxygenic prokaryotes. Cyanobacteria were the first organism that produce oxygen on our earth. They have following pigments. Chlorophyll A is green, carotenoids yellow, next, phycocyanin is blue, phycoerythrin is red. Cyanobacteria are not always of blue-green color. Example, Trichodesmia is red color. The red color of water of Red Sea is due to these algae. Different forms of blue-green algae are cyanobacteria. Unicellular. Some blue-green algae are found only in unicellular form, that is spirulina. Spirulina is an edible blue-green algae because it has very large amount of proteins. It can be grown artificially in water tanks. It is used as a fodder for cattle. Colonial. Some blue-green algae are found in colony, that is cell colonies, Anabina and microcytes. Anabina, gelatinous membrane and microcytes. Filamentous. Some blue-green algae are filamentous. They are mostly cells arranged in a rows in their body. The filaments of blue-green algae is known as trichome. Oscillatoria. Next, structures of blue-green algae. The structure of blue-green algae is similar to gram-negative eubacteria. Blue-green algae are surrounded by a mucilaginous sheath. This sheath is made up of mucopolysaccharides, peptic acids, and the cell wall of blue-green algae is also bilayered. Outer is made up of lipopolysaccharides and the inner wall is made up of peptidoglycan. The cell membrane of blue-green algae is also made up of lipoproteins. Cytoplasm of blue-green algae contains following structures: thylakoids or chromatophores, inclusion bodies. Okay, these are the membrane-bound structures which contain photosynthetic pigment. They are present in the form of vesicle lamella, inclusion bodies, alpha granules, and gas vacuole. Blue-green algae store its food in the form of alpha granules. Alpha granules, these are made up of cyanophycean starch. It is not actually starch. It is structurally similar to glycogen. They are also known as cyanophycean granules. Gas vacuole. It is found in blue-green algae, purple and green photosynthetic eubacteria. Note, inclusion bodies are non-membrane structures. Next, nucleoid. Nucleoid is a double-stranded circular naked DNA. Ribosome is 70S. Next, alpha granules, cell membrane, inner cell wall layer, outer cell wall layer, mucilage sheath, gas vacuole, ribosome, nucleate, photosynthetic pigment, and thylakoid. Next, nitrogen fixation. Some of the blue-green algae can fix nitrogen fixation. They convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia and then nitrogenous compounds like ammonia, ammonia, amino acids, nitrates, etc. These nitrates increases the fertility of the soil. And next, hence blue-green algae improves the fertility of soil by nitrogen fixation. Blue-green algae fix nitrogen in two forms. Symbiotic forms and asymbiotic forms are free living. Symbiotic forms are free living. Anabina and Noxtis, this blue-green algae form symbiotic association with many plants and perform nitrogen fixation. For example, in the leaves of azolla, in the choroid roots of cycas. If azolla is growth in rice, then the production increases up to 50% because anabina are found in the leaves of azolla. Anabina and nostoc, some blue-green algae are found free living in water and soil and perform nitrogen fixation. Allosera, this blue-green algae is found in plenty in paddy fields. This blue-green algae perform nitrogen fixation due to which the production of rice is increased. Oscillatoria also fix N2 in paddy fields. A special type of cell is found for nitrogen fixation in blue-green algae, which is known as heterocyst. Heterocyst is the walled non. Heterocyst is thick walled non-green cell. Reproduction in blue-green algae, reproduction is done by two main processes: vegetative and sexual. Vegetative by binary fission, it is the most common method of reproduction in prokaryotes. The example spirulina. Fragmentation by hormogonia, hormocyst formation, filamentous prokaryotes reproduce by this process, osculatoria. Next, asexual reproduction, it is the method of protection to overcome unfavorable condition. Example, aconite formation in nostoc. This is the aconite. Okay. Next, water blooms. Excessive growth of blue-green algae in polluted water bodies is called blooms. Economical importance of blue-green algae. Useful activities, harmful activities. It gives fertility to sterile alkaline soil and asker oil. Blue-green algae secrete acidic chemical which decreases the alkalinity of soil. Some blue-green algae are also used as a green manure. Some blue-green algae secrete toxins which inhibits the growth of mosquito larvae in water. Spirulina is a very good source of protein. Harmful activities are water bloom. Blue-green algae that grow in water tanks pollutes the water and damage the water tanks. Example, osculatoria. Next, mycoplasma. In 1898, two French scientists, that is Nocard and Roll, while studying pleural fluids of cattle suffering from pleuropneumonia disease, discovered the organisms which are known as mycoplasma and were designed as a PPLO, pleuropneumonia-like organism. Novak put these organisms under the genus Mycoplasma. The Japanese Doi first discovered that the aster yellow disease of plants are caused by Mycoplasma. Doi named these pleuromorphic organisms as mycoplasma-like organisms. According to Doi, phloem cells, that is shoe tips, and the phloem parenchyma of plants are much affected by these diseases. Main points: mycoplasmas are unicellular, smallest prokaryotic organisms. Cell wall is absent in mycoplasma, so the outermost covering is only cell membrane. Cell membrane is and made up of lipoprotein. Both DNA double-stranded circular mainly and RNA single-stranded are present. They are cell wall less, hence they exhibit pleuromorphism and thus called as jokers of microbiology. Osmotrophic mode of nutrition. Absorption of nutrients by osmosis is found in mycoplasma. They are resistant to antibiotics like penicillin, which act on cell wall. They are sensitive to tetracycline and chloramphenicol that act on metabolic activity. Mycoplasmas can survive without oxygen. Species of mycoplasmas are saprophytes or parasites. Reproduction, binary fission by primary structures or eliminatory bodies. Most common method of reproduction in mycoplasma is binary fission. Plant diseases: little leaf disease of brinjal, bunchy top of papaya, witch's broom of groundnut or legume or potato, aster yellow disease of sunflower. Animal disease: mycoplasma causes primary atypical pneumonia, bovine pleuropneumonia. And next, Archaebacteria is a group of ancient bacteria Evolutionary, these are primitive. They were the first to be born on our planet, and they are present nowadays with their primitive characters. They are the oldest living fossils, mostly archaebacteria and anaerobes. Thermococcus, methanococcus, and methanobacteria explain exclusively archaebacteria that contain protein homologous to eukaryotic or histones. Their cell wall is not made up of peptidoglycan like that of eubacteria. Their cell wall is made up of complex polysaccharides and complex polysaccharides. And complex polypeptides. Cell membrane of archaebacteria is highly complex because of branched lipid chain. Due to complex cell wall and cell membrane, archaebacteria can survive in harsh habitat. Archaebacteria involves following bacteria: methanogens, halophiles, thermoacidophiles. Methanogen producing bacteria. Methanogens are found in marshy areas and gobar gas fermenters and produce methanogens. Methanobacteria, methanococcus, and methanomicrobians. An archaebacteria, that is Rumenococcus, is found in the rumen of cattle and responsible for the production of methane biogas. Halophiles, these archaebacteria are found in extremely salty regions. Thermophiles, these archaebacteria are found at those places where temperature is approximate 80 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius and minimum in acidic, that is pH is equals to 2. They are found in hot sulfur springs. The hot water sulfur springs are found in the Himalayan regions. Golden key points. The cytoplasm of prokaryotes lacks membrane bound cell organelles. Cyanobacteria or gram-positive photosynthetic and oxygenic prokaryotes. Though the bacteria sulfur is very simple, they are very complex in behavior because they are both autotrophs, phototropes, and chemotropes, and heterotrophs and symbionts. As a group, bacteria show most extensive metabolic diversity. Cell membrane of archaebacteria is not unit membrane. Next. In some bacteria, their body is filamentous or fungi like mycelium, so they are also known as filamentous bacteria, actinomycetes, or mycobacteria. These bacteria are very important for us as they are useful in making antibiotics. Their cell wall contain mycolic acid, filamentous bacteria, or heterotrophs. Examples: Streptomyces, main source of antibiotics, Mycobacteria, and Vegeta, and Nocardia and Frankia. Rickettsia are also small and parasitic bacteria. Barophilic prokaryotes are prokaryotes which grow and multiple in very deep marine sediments. The richest source of bacteria is soil. Hundreds of bacteria are present in a handful of soil. Next, we will move to the kingdom Protista. All the organisms include its protista or unicellular, acellular, eukaryotic membranes of a protista are primarily aquatic. These kingdom form a link with the other dealing with the plants, animals, and fungi. Boundaries of these kingdoms are not well defined. Living organisms included in protista are as follows: dinoflagellates, chrysophytes, euglenoids, slime molds, and protozoans. Protista reproduce asexually and sexually. Asexual reproduction, this is the most common method of reproduction in protista. This is of following types: binary and spore formation. Two daughter cells are formed by the division of one mother cell. After this, each daughter cell grows to form a normal organism. Example: dinoflagellates, chrysophytes, diatoms plus desmids, and euglenoids. Spore formation. Some protists have special structures known as sporangia. Spores are formed in sporangium. The sporangium bursts after some time and all the spores becomes free. Every spores form a new member. Example: slime molds. Sexual reproduction was first of all seen in protists. In sexual reproduction, two haploid gametes fuse to form a diploid zygote. This process is known as syngamy. Syngamy is of three types: isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy. It is the simplest way of sexual reproduction. Is in isogamy, the fusing gametes are morphologically size and shape structure similar, but physically functional or genetically they are similar or dissimilar. When fusing gametes are physiologically dissimilar, it is known as physiological anisogamy. Anisogamy, the fusing gametes are morphologically dissimilar but physiological they may be similar or dissimilar. Oogamy, it is the development form of anisogamy. Male gamete is small and motile while female gamete is large and non-motile. These female gamete is known as egg. In the formation of male and female gametes takes place in sex organs. In this process, the female gamete remains within the female reproductive structure with Life cycle showing zygotic meiosis. When protist is haploid and meiosis occurs in zygote, then it is known as zygotic meiosis. In this type of life cycle, during sexual reproduction, gametes are formed by mitosis. These gametes are haploid. These gametes fuse to form a diploid zygote. After that, meiosis takes place in zygote. As a result, haploid cells are formed again. In this type of life cycle, the zygotic phase is only diploid and the remaining all the phases are haploid. So the life cycle is haploidic life cycle. Example, dinoflagellates. Haploidic life cycle, zygotic meiosis occurs and then zygotic meiosis occurs and then zygote forms a diploid and meiosis forms an adult and mitosis to gametogenesis. Life cycle showing gametic meiosis. When protist is diploid and meiosis takes place during gamete formation, this is a gametic meiosis. In this type of a life cycle, during sexual reproduction, meiosis takes place in diploid cells, due to which haploid gametes are formed. Now haploid gametes fuse to form a diploid zygote, and after that mitosis takes place in zygote, due to which diploid cells are formed again. Note, in this type of life cycle, only gametophase is haploid and the remaining all phases are diploid. So this type of life cycle is known as diploidic life cycle. Example, diatoms. Diploidic life cycle. This is the diploidic life cycle. Next, division. Phyrophyta class Dinophaceae is a dinoflagellate protist with two flagella. Dinoflagellates are mainly marine. They are found on the surface of the water. They appear yellow, green, and a brown, blue or red depending on the main pigment present in their cell. In dinoflagellate, the nutrition is mainly holozoic, plant-like nutrition and photosynthesis. Example, dinoflagellates, Ceratium and Goniolax and Gymnodinium. Structure. The cell wall is divided into plates which is made up of cellulose. Therefore, the conversion of dinoflagellates is seen as armorsed. So, they are called armorsed algae. Dinoflagellates having two flagella lies longitudinally and transversely in a furrow between the wall plates. Dinoflagellates show a special type of movements which is like Verlet webs. Therefore, they are called Verlet webs. Dinoflagellates are green, brown or yellow, brown or golden brown in color. These colors of dinoflagellates are due to the pigments present in the chlorophyll A, C, pigments present in them, that is chlorophyll A, C, xanthophylls, dinoxanthin and dininoxanthin. Stored food is starch. Some information of dinoflagellates show bioluminescence due to the presence of photogenic granules in cytoplasm. So these dinoflagellates are also known as night light. Dinoflagellates are also called as fire algae because they appear as glowing light due to bioluminescence. Goniolax spreads on the surface of the sea water through rapid multiplication, due to which the sea water appears red. It is a red tide. Both Gymnodinium and Goniolax are toxic. They secrete toxins. These secretes causes paralysis in human beings. Humans acquire these toxins through food chain. These algae also affect the marine animals' water blooms. Next one is Chrysophyta. These groups include diatoms and golden algae or desmate. They are found in the freshwater as well as the marine environment. Structure of diet. They are found in the different shapes such as circular, rectangular, triangular, elongated and boat-shaped. The cell wall of diatoms is made up of cellulose in which silica particles are embedded in at many places, due to which the cell wall appears to be made up of silica. Note, their cell wall is made up of two halves which are arranged like the lids of soap box. The cell wall have silica in very large quantity. Due to this reason, their cell wall is hard. The cell wall doesn't get decomposed after their death. So at the bottom of the sea, very huge rocks of the dead diatoms are formed which are known as diatom or diatomaceous earth or kieselguhr. Diatoms having pigments chlorophyll A, C and xanthophyll and fucoxanthin. They are chief producers in the ocean. Stored food is leucosin, that is chrysol amanirin and fats or oil movements. They are immotile because flagella are absent in them. They float passively on the surface of the water. In diatoms, during reproduction, special type of spores are formed which are known as axospore. Use of diatoms: soundproofing, filtration of oils and syrups, stone polishing as heat insulator in steam boilers because the kieselguhr is bad conductor of heat. Division: Euglenophyta, euglenoids. Previous euglenites were placed in plant kingdom due to their photosynthesis ability. Due to the absence of cell wall and animals like nutrition, some scientists placed them in animal kingdom, but now according to the five kingdom classification, they included in Protista. They are found as a free living organism in freshwater lakes, ponds, but sometimes they are found in damp soils and blackish water. Though they are photosynthetic in presence of sunlight, when deprived of sunlight, they behave like a heterotrophs by predating on other smaller organisms. Example, Euglena. Structure: they are unicellular. Cell wall is absent around them. They are surrounded by a cell membrane which is made up of lipoprotein, and this cell wall is covered with a pellicle. Pellicle is mainly made up of a protein, and it is elastic in nature. At the anterior end of the euglenite, a cavity is present. It is known as a reservoir. Flagellum is originated from the base of the reservoir. Euglenites have only one flagellum, one functional flagellum, and one other is a non-functional flagellum. One eye spot is present at anterior position. They have contractile vacuole. The contractile value helps in osmoregulation. Euglenites have chloroplast. Chloroplasts have following pigments: chlorophyll A, B, xanthophyll, geoxanthin. These pigments are identical to higher plants. Stored food is paramylum and fat. Next, slime modes are myxomycetes, consumers and decomposers. The organism develop a slimy mass at the time of their vegetative phase. Therefore, they are called as slime molds. They are also called as false fungi. Slime molds are saprophytic, found on decaying twigs and the leaves. Body moves along decaying twig, engulfing organic matter. Under suitable favorable condition, they form an aggregation which may grow and spread over several feet, called plasmodium. During unfavorable condition, plasmodium forms fruiting bodies which bear spores at their tips. The spores possess two walls. They are extremely resistant and survive for many years even under adverse conditions. The spores are dispersed by air currents. Pyrosome, slime mold. Okay. Next we will move to the kingdom fungi. Fungi is mycology, study of a fungi, and father of mycology is P.A. Miceli. Book is Nova Plantarum genera. Characters: fungi show a great diversity in morphology and habitat. Fungi are cosmopolitan. They prefer to grow warm and humid places. Fungi are found mostly in humus-rich soil, but in the presence of moisture, they are grown on leather, wood, pickles, bread, and rotten fruits, that is orange rot diseases. Some fungi live parasitical plants, animals, and human body. Chloroplast is absent in fungi, so fungi are heterotrophs. The fungi constitute the unique kingdom heterotrophic organism. Fungi obtain their own food from dead decaying on organic matter. On the basis of source of food, fungi are of two types: saprotrophic, parasitic. The fungi obtain their food from dead decaying organic matter such as bread, rotting fruits, vegetables, and drugs. Nutrition is of absorptive type of saprophytic fungi. Parasitic, they obtain their own food from living organisms such as plants, animals, and human beings. They obtain nutrition with the help of Hastoria. Some fungi are found symbiotically associated with algae and forms lichen. Some fungi are found symbiotically in the roots of a higher plants and forms mycorrhiza. The body of the fungi is called mycelium. Mycelium is composed of filament called hyphae. Hyphae is hive. Next, cell wall is made up of chitin and polysaccharides, but cell wall of a members of the class Oomycetes is mainly made up of a cellulose. In fungi, the stored food remains in the form of glycogen and oil. Heterothalism and homothallism. Homothallic fungi, those in which every thallus is sexually self-sterile and can therefore reproduce sexually by itself without aid of another thallus. Example, Catomium and Albugo candida. Heterotrophic fungi, those in which every thallus is sexually self-sterile and requires the aid of another compatible thallus. Different mating type for sexual reproduction. Species of Mucor, Rhizopus, Puccinia, and maximum fungi. Next, reproduction by vegetative reproduction, fragmentation, and budding. And next, fission. These are the three methods of vegetative reproduction. Sometimes the fungal filaments breaks into smaller pieces due to any reasons. Now these pieces form a new fungal filament and starts working like a normal filament. This is the fragmentation. And next, budding by Saccharomyces yeast parent will undergo budding and forms. Another one, fission is schizosaccharomyces, that is the yeast reproduction through bud formation, and fusion takes place only in non-mycelium forms. Asexual reproduction takes place by the formation of different types of spores. These spores are formed by the mitotic division. Spores are of the following types. Sporangiospores, they are formed in sporangium. Sporangium is formed at the tip of a fungal filament. Those fungal filament on which sporangium are formed is known as the sporangiospore. Numerous spores are present in the sporangium that comes out by rupturing of sporangium and generated to form a fungal filament. The formation of sporangium takes place endogenously. This is mycelium, sporangium, sporangiospores and germinations. Next, sporangium are of two types. Zoospores. When the sporangiospores formed in sporangium are flagellated and motile, then they called as zoospore. In this condition, the sporangium are called as zoosporangium. Eplenospore, when sporangiospore are non-myelinated and non-motile, then they are called aplenospore. Hyphae. Next, sporangium, sporangiospore. Next, sporangiospores and germination. Conidia. The formation of conidia takes place exogenously. These conidia are formed at the tip of conidiospore. Mycelium, conidia and germination. Conidia, conidiospore, conidia, and next conidia to germination, hyphae, like this. Next, sexual reproduction. The structure in which gametes are formed are called the gametangia. Sexual reproduction in fungi completes in 3 stages. Plasmogamy. This is the first stage of sexual reproduction. In this stage, 2 motile or non-motile sex cells fuses with each other, but their nuclei do not fuse, due to which a single cell has 2 nuclei. This binucleated or dikaryotic stage is known as dikaryon. In Phycomycetes, the fusion of 2 haploid cells immediately results in diploid cells. However, in other fungi like Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, an intervening dikaryotic stage occurs. Such a condition is known as dikaryon, and the phase is dikaryophase. Like this. This is the dikaryon phase, and meiosis to form plasmogamy. Okay. Next, karyogamy. In this stage, the nuclei present in the cell fuse with each other to form a diploid nucleus, which is known as a synchorion. Meiosis. In this stage, meiosis takes place in the diploid cells, due to which again nuclear or haploid cells are formed. Sexual reproduction is the formation of zygospore or oospore or ascospore and bastiospore. In fungi, sexual fusion is of many types. Gametogonial contact. In this type, first of all, male and the female sex organs are formed on different hyphae of the same mycelium. Male sex organs is called antheridium and female sex organ is called oogonium. In mature antheridium and oogonia, both have one nuclei. Antheridium and oogonia come close to each other and form a plasmogamy and karyogamy. This is the graph. This is the flow chart. And next, gametangial copulation. In this process, 2 identical gametangia directly fuse to form plasmogamy and karyogamy, result in the formation of diploid zygospore. Now, meiosis division takes place in zygospore, as a result of which haploid spores are formed. Now, spores germinate and give rise to new mycelium. Next, spermatization. Some fungi forms uninucleate, thin-walled, non-motile spore-like bodies. The spores are called spermatia or cyanospores. Non-motile mature gametes. Somatogamy. It is in it, sex organs are not formed, only 2 haploid cells. 2 hyphae come close to each other and get fused. Sex organs are not formed, in this hyphae come close to each other and get fused. True fungi are divided into following classes on the basis of morphology of mycelium, mode, spores formation and fruiting bodies during sexual reproduction. This is the bit. And next, Phycomycetes habitat. All the fungi included in the class are called as lower fungi. Members of the Phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitat. Members of this class known as algal fungi, and on decaying wood in moist and damp places, or in obligate parasites on plants. Mycelium, the fungal filament or mycelium of the fungi includes in this class are coinocytic, aseptate and branched. Asexual reproduction by zoospores, aplanospores and conidia. Sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous. Phycomycetes includes further groups like oomycetes and zygomycetes. Now, the mycelium of the both oomycetes and zygomycetes is same in structure, that is conidiocytic and aseptate, but they are dissimilar in their method of sexual reproduction. Oomycetes, sexual reproduction by the formation of zoospores, and conidia, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction by gametogonial contact. Types of sexual reproduction: oogamia, all the members. Phytophthora infestans causes late blind of potato. This disease is known as famine of Ireland in 1845. Pythium species causes dapping of disease in tobacco and vegetable crops. Albugo candida or Cystopus candidus, it causes white rust or white spot disease in the members of Cruciferaceae family. Sclerospora gaminicola causes green ear disease of bajra. Saphrolegnia parasitica, it causes disease in salmon fish. Next, zygomycetes is by asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction by the formation of aplonospore and by gametangial copulation. Types of sexual reproduction: isogamous, all the members. Philobolus and Rhizopus and Mugar, these are known as a bread mold. They prefer to grow on bread. Rhizopus is common bread mold. The tip of the mycelium of Rhizopus is black colored. This fungus looks black colored. This is the Rhizopus, Sporangiospore, Sporum and Sporangium. Next is the Mucor. Next, the sac fungi. Ascomycetes is known as the sac fungi. Members of these classes are mostly multicellular, rarely unicellular. Example, yeast. Habitat: members of these Ascomycetes are saprophytic decomposers, parasites or caprophilus growing on dung. And next, mycelium is septate and branched. Septate are found in the mycelium of Ascomycetes. Pores are present in the septate. They allow cytoplasm to pass from one cell to the other cell. Pores do not allow passage of a nucleus. Asexual reproduction by conidia, sexual reproduction by somatogamy or gametangial and gametangial contacts. Somatogamy ascospores are formed during sexual reproduction. On this basis, they are named as ascospores. There are three stages in sexual reproduction of ascospores: plasmogamy, karyogamy, meiosis. In these, two fungal hyphae of mycelium comes close to other and their cells fuse to form dichorion. After this, an outgrowing originates from dichorion, which is called ascogenous hyphae. Ascogenous hyphae and forms a sac-like structure is known as ascus. Due to sac-like ascus, Ascomycetes are also called sac fungi. Now both the nuclei reach in ascus and fuse to form a diploid nucleus. Now ascus is protected by some fungal filaments to form a fruiting body called as ascoscarp, in which reductional division causes leading to the formation of haploid ascospores. Note: minimum 4 ascospores are formed in one ascus, but generally 8 ascospores are formed in one ascus. But by the rupturing of ascospore and ascospores becomes free, and each ascospore form a new mycelium. This is the flow chart, that is plasmogamy, dichorion, ascophyme, that is fungal mycelium, and next karyogamy. This is the next ascospore to the next, like this. Okay. Next, 3 types of ascospores are Cladothecium, Perithecium, Apothecium. Closed, ball shaped, flask shaped, open, disc shaped. Next, example of Ascomycetes is Penicillium, Aspergillus, Claviceps, Morcella. Next, Neurospora, Ersipe and Trifles and yeast. These are the examples. Penicillium antibiotic was obtained from Penicillium notatum. First discovered antibiotic was penicillin. It was obtained from the fungi Penicillium. This is the Penicillium structure. It has conidia. Aspergillus, different species of Aspergillus are related to aspergillosis disease and secretion of afflictins, that is carcinogen substances. Aspergillus niger, known as weed of laboratory, and produce citric acid. This is the Aspergillus, unbranched conidiospore and conidia. Claviceps purpuris causes ergot diseases of bajra and ripe. Ergotin drug is obtained from it. A narcotic drug is also obtained from it, that is lysergic acid diethylamide is a hallucinogenic drug. Marcella, the species of Marcella are commonly known as Marcel. It is an edible fungi. Next, Neurospora, red or pink mold, Drosophila of plant kingdom. It is used for the study of genetics and biochemical studies in plant kingdom. Bread and Tatum proposed proposed one gene one enzyme theory in genetics by experimenting on neurospora. They are awarded Nobel Prize for it. Erysife, different species of Erysife causes powdery mildew disease on yeast. Trifles, some members of the ascospores are known as the trifles. They are also edible. Yeast are a unicellular fungi. Yeast grows on repelled fruits like grapes, sugarcane, date palm, and flowers. Mycelium is absent in yeast. If yeast are grown in sugar solution, then mycelium is formed. Because in sugar solution they grow very fast, it reproduces fast and exhibit excessive budding. Economic importance: yeast is also known as fermentation fungi because the different types of products are formed by fermentation with the help of yeast. It is used as a fermentation agent in bakery and brewery. So Saccharomyces cerevisiae is also known as baker's yeast or brewer's yeast. Riboflavin, vitamin B2 is obtained from Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Next, Basidiomycetes is also known as club fungi, grow in soil on logs and tree stumps and in living plant bodies as parasites. Mycelium branched septate. In Basidiomycetes, septate are of special types and they are called dolichopore septate. One big pore is present between every septum. The boundaries of a pore is spread on both sides. Their boundaries is known as a parenthysome. Due to the spreading of the boundaries on both sides, the shape of the septum becomes dome shaped, due to which it is called as dolichopore septum. Clamp connection: it is a tubular relation between the two neighboring cells in which the help of the connection with the help of this connection, the nucleus of one cell can migrate to the neighbor cell, due to which this other cell becomes dikaryotic binucleated. Clamp connection is used to change monokaryotic mycelium to dikaryotic mycelium in Basidiospora. Asexual reproduction: the sexual spores are generally not found, but vegetative reproduction by fragmentation is common. Clamp connection and mycelium. Okay. Next, sexual reproduction is formed by two methods, somatogamy and spermatization. Somatogamy, it is the most common method used for of reproduction among the members of Basidiomycetes. Example, Ustilago and Agaricus. First of all, the two vegetative or somatic cells of the different strains or genotypes comes close to each other. Now their apical ends fuse with each other, as a result which dichorion is formed. Now with the help of the clamp connection, all the cells of the mycelium become binucleated or dichorion. Now a club shaped structure is formed on every cell, which is known as a basidium. This is the chart of it. Next, after that, both nuclei come into this basidium and fuse with each other, and further takes place, as a result of which 4 haploid spores are formed every basidium, which are basidiospores. The surrounding fungal hyphae grows to form a fruiting body, which is a basidiocarp. Now the basidiospores become free from a basidiocarp and produce a new mycelium by germination. Note: it is believed that basidium is similar to ascus because both of them produce spores, but basidiospores is different from ascospores because the origin of ascospores is endo and origin of basidiospore is exogenous. Next, spermatization. This type of reproduction is more commonly seen in those fungi which causes rust disease. Rust fungi, Puccinia gravicis causes rust disease or stem disease in wheat. Puccinia heterococcus fungi, the fungi that needs 2 types of host to complete its life cycle, that is a yeast and the barberry, primary host and later alternative or secondary host. Life cycle of Funaria is called rust cycle. Rust cycle is discovered by K.C. Mehta. He did a lot of hard work on rust. Starting of rust disease on yeast plants through Eschiospores. Primary infection takes place through Eschiospores and secondary infections through Uridospores. Examples of Basidiospores are bracket or shelf fungi. Their fruiting bodies is similar to bracket, therefore they are called as bracket fungi. Puff balls, fruiting bodies of some fungi are puff-like, so these fungi are called puff balls. Example. Note: Clavatia, a drug clavatin is obtained from it. It is an anti-cancerous medicine. Mushrooms, Basidiocarp, these are umbrella-like fungi obtained seen growing in the grounds during rainy season. Some mushrooms are edible. Most delicious mushroom is Agaricus bisporus. World's most poisonous mushroom is Amanita muscaris. It is a hallucinogenic. Poisonous mushrooms are known as tadstole, Gills gits. And next, smut fungi, it causes smut disease on plants. Smut disease mainly affect the seeds of Crop plants. Must disease insects, seeds and forms black spores inside the seed. Ustilago nuda tricky. It causes loose must of wheat. This disease spreads by infection flowers and seeds. Bird's nest fungi, Clatus and Nidularia are commonly known as bird's nest fungi. Their fruiting bodies resemble with bird's nest. And next, Deuteromycetes is also known as fungi imperfect because perfect stage or sexual reproduction is absent in this class of fungi. The fungi are included in this class is which is sexual reproduction is absent and is not discovered yet, but the sexual form of this class of fungi was discovered, but they were moved into right class Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes from Deuteromycetes. Next, habitat. Some members are saprophytic or parasitic. A large number of members of this class are decomposers of littler and helps in mineral recycling. Trichoderma. Mycelium are septate and branched. Asexual reproduction takes place with the help of Conidia and plants. Fungi includes in this plant causes many diseases in plants. Alternaria causes early blind of potato and Cercospora personata thicca disease of groundnut. Clostridium causes rot disease of red rot of sugarcane. Helminthosporium oryza leaf rot of rice. And next, Trichophyton and Microsporum, it produces ringworm in human. Example, eczema and itching. Trichophyton interdigitalis and Taenia pedis, it causes athlete foot diseases in humans. It also causes ringworm of foot. And next we have some golden point, that is all the unicellular eukaryotes are placed in kingdom Protista. Pigments present in dinoflagellates are chlorophyll A and C. Stored food in dinoflagellates is starch. Cell wall of dinoflagellates is made up of cellulose and silica. Pigments present in diatoms are chlorophyll A and C. Stored food of diatom is leucine and fats. Mixotropic nutrition is present in euglena. Stored food of euglenites is paramycin and fat. Slime molds are also called as fungus animals. At the time of reproduction, slime molds have a cell wall. Mode of nutrition is absorbed during function. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. In fungi, the stored food remains in the form of a glycogen and oil. Mycelium of cell of class Phycomycetes is coenocytic aseptate. Phytophthora infections causes the late blind disease in position. This disease is known as the famine of Ireland. Mycelium of a class Ascomycetes is unicellular septate. A class Ascomycetes is known as the sac fungi. Alexander Fleming obtained the antibiotic penicillin from penicillin notatum. Fungi Neuroptera is Neurospora is known as a Drosophila of plant kingdom. Yeast is unicellular or non-mycetial fungi. Mycelium of class Basidiomycetes is septate and uni or binucleated. Basidiomycetes is known as a club fungi. Special type of septae are found in the mycelium of a class Basidiomycetes, which are known as a dolifer septate. Clamp connection are formed during reproduction in Basidiomycetes. Puccinia is a rust fungi. It causes rust diseases in wheat. Starting of rust diseases, primary infections on wheat plants takes place through Asciospores, and Deuteromycetes is known as the fungi imperfect. These are the bits, and next we will move to the plant kingdom.